Ay, nako. Ito na nga ba sinasabi ko eh. March 16 na. Yan pa rin yung dito. Ay. Snow dito sa PG. Grabe. Ano tayo? Travel tayo na. Nag-PG na lang ako. Yung parang Uber dito eh. Hindi siya nag-respond in time. So ano tayo dito? Snow pa naman. So, meron tayong dito receive. Ay, ito tayo. Hello, I checked in online and I did the baggage, and there was a pending charge. I was wondering if I could get the receipt for it.
Okay, what's your last name? You need a receipt for the bag that you paid for?
Yeah, I don't know. I think I always.
Email it, or do you want a printout?
Can you do both? Like for backup and. Yeah, please. I was looking at the app where to get the receipt and I couldn't find it. Air Canada app. Normally before it's included one bag.
Yeah,
So-
it's a standard ticket.
Yeah, so I don't know why it's asking me online to.
Yeah, because it doesn't allow a free bag, this ticket. The one that you have.
Really?
So what's your email address, please?
So ayan o, na yung may technician tool tayo na pina-check in yung laptop bag natin, pero kinuha yung laptop kasi hindi daw pwede check in mga batteries, ganyan, electronics. So yan yung ginagawa nila dito, nag-bulldozer. Doon tayo ng alas 12. Avis rental pala kunin natin. Intermediate daw eh. So I don't know anong klase intermediate na car yun, pero papa-upgrade ako ng SUV. Nandito tayo sa Richmond, Vancouver Airport pala. Dahil sa Richmond, taas ng Richmond to eh, British Columbia. Ayan, punta tayo ng baggage claim. Kunin natin ating tool bag tsaka yung ating luggage. Exit. You can't go back once you get out of here. Yeah, we're at Carousel 4. Yan. Yung pala meron pwede mo i-check dun sa screen. Arrived at 12:13 p.m. Right now it's 12:31. Shit, I left my laptop bag. Yeah, hold on. Shit. Ito yung ating rental Tiguan. Check muna natin bago natin i-drive. Yan ang bagong linis. Wala naman siyang okay naman siya. 4-wheel drive. Okay. Windshield. It's okay. Alright. Okay, just a sweet tour. Ayoko nito dahil walang tub. Magbabad sana ako sa mainit na tubig eh. Shower lang. Yan, tapos walang cover. Although modern yung ano nila, no? Kanilang salamin. Ito open. Tinanggal na nila. Yan, white cabinets. Nag-renovate sila dito nung last time nandito ako. Tapos, yan, meron silang full suite. Ayan, ng room. LED lights. Yan, maganda. Full size TV. Ano ito yan? 50 inch? 55 inch? Yeah, 55 inch. Ayan, ito yung Suri, nasa Suri tayo eh. Full size king size bed. Ayan, kompleto, may ano pa siya, kabayo. Ayan, tapos dito may another TV. Tapos ito ang kanyang sofa. And then yan. Kain tayo ng ano, Sheraton. Andyan yung mall eh, Guildwood, ano ata, Guildwood Mall. And tapos dito yung, alam ko ano yan, swimming. Yan, pwede tayo mag-ano dyan, mag hot tub. Yan. Yan na muna. Sunman Suites dito sa Suri. Dito tayo sa Korean restaurant, authentic Korean. Parking lot at behind. Hoi An Karaoke. Ito ata yung sa Vietnamese. So, Korean barbecue. It's for one. Kala ko salamin.
Very good.
Okay. So is that like
You like a
you just one serving? That's it?
This one serving, yeah. Come with rice and
Okay.
sizes.
All right.
This is come with a long rib, premium ribs.
Yeah, I'll try that.
Do you wanna sit down?
Yeah, sit down.
So
What about the like those type of thing?
you wanna barbecue?
Yeah, how much
You
is
wanna
it?
grill yourself or
Yeah.
yeah, no problem. You can.
How much is it?
Oh, that's same thing here.
Same thing?
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
okay.
barbecue. If you want barbecue, you can.
But that's like all you can eat or
No, it's all
No?
all you can eat.
Okay.
It's a single order. You order what you get.
I see. Okay. Yeah, I want a barbecue. Thank you. But you guys have all you can eat or no?
We're not all you can eat.
No?
restaurant, so-
Okay. All right. Yan. Ano siya? Beef. Try natin.
So popsicles. Grill for you.
Thank you.
When be ready, paper spell there. Someone will be here.
Okay.
You wanna order yet, or you still thinking about it?
I'm thinking about.
Sure.
Yeah, sorry. Beef rib. Seasoned corned beef ribs.
there 1
Yeah.
second.
I wanted to know what this is.
B6. Yeah, that is like finger meat.
Ah, okay.
Not finger, but it's called like finger meat.
Do you recommend it?
I'll say that's pretty good too. The cut is like this.
Okay.
Like every piece is same like this.
So for, you said B2 is B3, B4 is good?
I mean like popular, yeah. But B2 and B3 should be the very good taste. For me,
Yeah, but
I
this
think
there's more bone, right?
this is short ribs like this. Also lots of meat. Bone is a small piece like this. And then the meat is like this, square.
So bulgogi has no bone, right?
Bulgogi is no bone. Yeah.
I'll get the bulgogi.
Okay, sounds good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll order that for that. Thank you, sir. You want any drink or tea is good?
Tastes good.
Sounds good.
Yeah. Ito yung kinuha natin. Marinated bulgogi. Kuha pa ako ng isa. Ng soup. Yung duck, 147. Ito yung soup. Spicy beef. Black bean noodle. Beef. Tofu soup. Ito mga masarap seafood dito. So yan, try natin tong Korean barbecue. No? Kala ko all you can eat. Hindi pala. I-survey lang siya tapos i-barbecue mo rin. Pero hindi siya all you can eat. Meron sa Mississauga, Toronto. All you can eat. Dati mura lang. Tsaka downtown, malapit sa Tower, Safe Tower. Sa Queen Street. Nasa ano lang dati. Less than $20. 1999. Umikilit na yun. Ngayon, sa $30 na. Mahal pa. Ayan. Mainit na ba? Gawin natin dito. Bulgogi. Ang dami dun. Ah, okay. Ah, right. Okay. Good. Thank you. Yan. Kain tayo mga kabayan. Kain tayo po. Ang kanin, konti lang. Ano ba ito? So, ayan lang. Ito yung soup ko, seafood soup, $17.95. Ito, $39.95 lahat yan. Ano natin yung per diem. Ito, libre yung mga to. Ito, $3 extra pagka order ko. Ano more. Ang sarap. Ayan, hindi na kaya. Hindi natira. Hindi naubos. Bulgogi. Pero ito, take out ko na lang. Hindi na kaya. Katabi tayo sa puso. Meron sila ditong maliit na kabaong. Yung pala mga ano. So, kutsara at stainless na mga chopstick. Lahat dito stainless, tsaka ito cast iron nata ito, black porcelain. Kaya hindi sila nagkakasakit ng cancer kasi yan ang ganyang ginagamit nila. Mga plastic na napainis sa microwave, yung microplastic pupunta raw sa body natin yun kaya iwasan natin mainit daw ng plastic. Sa papel okay lang siguro, sa paper, pero yung plastic pupunta sa microplastics, pupunta sa halo sa cell natin. Yan, bawal daw yun or cancer daw. At saka yung mga charcoal, sa barbecue, yung mga itim yung barbecue, yun, another din, mga bawal din yun. Cancer din yun, cooling, hindi natural na katawan natin yung tao. Dinugo na natin para yung kahalong sa harap. Halo ko sa harap. Sarap yung kanin nila. So yan o, 54, nagbigay tayong $5 tip. Almost 10% lang naman lagi binibigay ko. Pagka 12% pag beyond the limit sila nag-serve customer service. So yeah, it's good.